Hello. How are you? Hello, Pepsi. 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 Hi. That is best mate's name's Pepsi, the Galah. Our beautiful Galah with some pink crust on his head. Hello, Danny. How are you, Danny? You wanna give them a hello? Hello? Hello, Danny? Danny! Pepsi! Pepsi! What's going on? You're not gonna say hi to them? You're not gonna say hello? Waka waka! You're not gonna say anything like that? Danny? Pepsi. Pepsi. Hello? Pepsi. What are you trying to do? You shy, aren't you? What's going on? Eee. No. No fighting. Eee. Eee. Who's the boss? Who's the boss now? Sige, fight mo diha. You fight sometimes, do you guys? Eee. I thought you guys are friends. You're not friends yet? Oh, where are you going? Come on here. Where are you going? No. I thought you guys are friendship. Oh, I thought you guys are friends. Danny, Pepsi's visiting you. Be good. No. Then who's the boss now? Danny's the boss. Pepsi, you gotta have to fight back. Quick. Who's the winner? No, you're not gonna do that. Danny, that's not very nice. Why do you gonna have to do the Chris, Danny? You're jealous, huh? Okay. She's not gonna scratch your head. She's gonna pull your hair soon. Eee. What was that? Friendship, love. Where are you going? You're not gonna going down, Danny. No. Eee. What sort of love? Love and war? Danny. No. That's not very nice. Danny, no. No, that's Pepsi. Danny, come over here. Come on. Come to mama. Danny. No, Danny, enough. You're fighting. Come on over here. Don't fight with me. Guy. I'm not your enemy. I'm your friend. I'm your mom. Hello, Pepsi. Looky. What are you trying to do, baby? Come on. Good boy. Here we go. That's very beautiful. You just want to pull the crust. Don't do that. Are you guys our friends or your enemy? Oh. What's wrong? Is Danny biting you? Is Danny biting you? She even bite me too. She's really cranky now. She's not that friendly yet, but she will get there. How's the boss? Hello, Danny. And there's this really noisy. Danny, Max. Give me high five. High five. High five. High five. Give mommy high five. Come on there. Give mommy high five. Yeah. High five. High five. Give me high five. High five. That one. High five. That one. Give me high five. High five ba? High five. High five mama. High five. High five mama. High five. High five. High five mama. Love you.